Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome to my channel. We will be heading into Walmart here to do some deals. This is going to be some paper coupons, IBOTTA, Shopkicks, Fetch, and Swagbucks. I'll see if I have any checkout 51, but I'm not sure I will. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you guys to subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when all my new videos pop up, and share with your friends. Let them know. Guys, we are in a recession. Money is tight. I see prices going up in the store. Things that I used to buy for a couple dollars are going up past $5. So every little bit counts. All right, so this is a new challenge I will be starting for Walmart. I'm going to do this from now on. It's going to be the 10 item challenge. So every one of my Walmart videos will be a 10 item challenge video. So you will be guaranteed 10 amazing deals in my Walmart videos. Now, I am a practical shopper. I just don't get the freebies. Of course, I love to get the freebies and I will be getting the freebies, but I also get things that my family needs, like toilet paper. And we don't get toilet paper for free like we used to before the pandemic. So we'll be getting some detergent today, some toilet paper, some candy, of course, some cleaning supplies, and I'm trying to think what else I have on my list today. Oh, some medicines. We always need medicines to stock our cabinet. So picking all of that up today, going to be 10 items or maybe a little more, maybe 11 or 12, but always a 10 item challenge when we go into Walmart. So let's get started. Alright guys, we've had this deal before, but it's no longer in our IBOTTA gallery. I still have some of these Wick coupons on the 1 count or the 2 count. This actually came out on the 12.5 Smart Source. And so we'll get this totally for free. I think I have 4 coupons. I'm getting 4 of these totally for free. They're at $1.47. I'm going to see if it rings up a little bit more at the register, if the coupon comes off anymore. If it does, I will let you guys know. But yeah, still free on those Wick scented oil warmers. The next thing I'm getting is an IBOTTA and a coupon deal on these Wick Essential Mist. I'm excited about this because we usually use this lavender one, and then they have like a bamboo one in the bag. I grabbed it, but these are $4.88. What we're gonna do is pick up 2 of these because you must pick up 2 with the IBOTTA deal. When you pick up 2, they're gonna be $9.76. Then we have this $1.50 coupon, only 1 Wick Essential Mist. This came out in the Smart Source 12.5, and we're going to use 2 of these coupons. So we use 2 of these coupons, that's $3 off in coupons, bringing our total down to $6.76. We will pay for that at the register. Then we'll submit to IBOTTA for $3 back when we buy both of those items, making this just $3.76 for both of them, or $1.88 each. So pretty good deal, $1.88, saving $3 on each of these when you buy 2 and use 2 coupons and submit to IBOTTA. We have a small money maker on the Palmolive Ultra Dish Soap with Swagbucks. If you are not part of my Swagbucks team, please look for the referral code in the description box. It is totally free to sign up, and you get a kickback, and I get a kickback as well when you sign up for Swagbucks, and I get a lot of my freebies from Swagbucks. So here we go. These Palmolive Ultras are just 98 cents. We're going to pick up 3 of these. When we do, it's going to be a total of $2.94. Total is going to be $2.94. We're going to submit to Swagbucks for 300 Swagbucks, or $3, giving us 2 cents back per bottle, or 6 cents for all of them together. I love to get these small bottles, take them to work, and also put them in blessing bags because they are small and people can do a lot of things with dish soap. So a great thing to get for a freebie. We have another Swagbucks deal on the Arm & Hammer. So this is a no coupons needed deal. These are $5.30. We're only going to pick these up for $2.30 each. So we're getting $3 back off of each one. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up 2 of these Arm & Hammer 24 count 5-in-1 power packs. When we do, we're going to pay $10.60 at the register. We're going to submit to Swagbucks for 600 Swagbucks, or $6. When we get that back, that's going to be a total of $4.60, or $2.30 for each pack of the Arm & Hammer. So pretty great deal on that. So this isn't the greatest deal, but we are being practical. I'm all about being practical on my channel, and I need toilet paper. And this toilet paper right here is $11.78. This is the blue one. The purple one is actually a little bit more. The Ultra Plush is $12.33. So I'm picking up one of these quilted Northern, the blue ones, in $11.78. And then I'm going to use this $1 off coupon. This coupon, I'm not sure when it came out, but it expires today. So this will be the last day I'll be able to use it. I'm sorry if you're catching this video late, but I'm using this, and it's going to bring it down to $10.78. Then I'm going to submit to IBOTTA for $2. That's a high valued IBOTTA, considering we don't get coupons for toilet paper and paper towels like we used to. This is going to bring it down to $8.78. So we're saving money. I'm happy about it. So $8.78 for this, opposed to $11.78. I always tell my people on my couponing channel that saving money is saving money. Saving $3 is like saying, you know what, I just got a free gallon of gas. So I'm going to take that $3 and run with it. I think we have a pretty good deal on this Dollar Shave Club gift set. I'm actually going to pick up the Buttery Shave gift set. These are $9.88. I usually don't talk about Fetch too much in my videos, but if you are not part of Fetch, if you don't have the Fetch app, it's super easy. I love it because all you have to do is scan your receipts. You don't have to like choose items, and they give you points and you can get gift cards. So anyways, Dollar Shave Club, we're going to get one of these at $9.88. We're going to pay that at the register. And then we're going to go over to Shopkicks, and with the scans and the kicks, we're going to scan it, and with the kicks and scans, it's going to be 1,140 Shopkicks, which is equivalent to $4.56. With that $4.56 we'll get back from Shopkick, we'll also go over to Fetch, scan our receipt, and we should get back $2 worth of Fetch rewards. And so that'll bring our total down to $3.32. If I have any hookups, I'll let you know, but $3.32 for this nice little shave set is pretty awesome. So I'm picking that up today, $3.32. Got a really great deal on this Tylenol PM. These are $5.16 each. I got this $2 off coupon actually at my doctor's office. They had some tear pads, so $2 off of that for $3.16. But I'm sure if you looked online, you could probably find some Tylenol coupons out there. Bringing that down to $3.16, and then there's a $3 Ibotta, bringing it down to 16 cents each. That's a really great deal, and there's a limit of 3 on here, so pick up 3 bottles for 16 cents each is pretty awesome. I finally can get this in my store. I have been waiting for this. It's always out of stock. This is the Chobani coffee cold brew. My husband likes cold brew coffee. It's disgusting to me. $3.78 for these. This is a total freebie on IBOTTA, so just submit to IBOTTA for $3.78. You'll get that money back, making this a total freebie. I love when IBOTTA does this. Thank you so much, IBOTTA. Love it. Alright, you guys know I love my cereal on my channel, and this is the family size Elf on the Shelf. If my kids don't like it, I can take it to my classroom for snacks for my students. My students in my class love to snack on a little baggie of cereal I make for them. So these are $1.50 on clearance, on my clearance aisle. And then I have this $1.50 coupon on 3. So I'm picking up 3 boxes of cereal. It's going to be $4.50 when I pick it up. And then I'm going to get $1.50 off. So I'll be getting 3 boxes of cereal for $3 or $1 each. And this coupon came out on the 12/5. So check it out if you have it. Pretty great deal on our clearance section. So this deal is on Swagbucks still. It is not as good as it was. I know it was free before with the checkout 51, but I'm still gonna pick it up anyways. These are $2 each. We're picking up 2 of them at $4 when we buy 2, and then we're gonna submit to Swagbucks for 300 Swagbucks or $3, making this just $1 for both or 50 cents each. So pretty good deal on these. I'm gonna give one to my secret pal at work for Christmas, and she will probably enjoy that little treat. So 50 cents each on the Butterfinger jingles, and I found this in the Christmas aisle in the grocery section. All right, we have an IBOTTA BOGO on this. So these are $1.12, not $1.88, but $1.12 for these gums, and we're gonna buy 2 of them at $1.12, makes it $2.24. Submit to IBOTTA for $1.12, getting that back. So that's just gonna make one of these for free. So pretty great deal, something to put my treasure boxes for. Guys, I have been looking for this Tazo passion tea stuff or whatever it is for so long. It's been ridiculous. So these are $1.68. There is an IBOTTA bonus for a freebie for $1.98. So that be a 30-cent moneymaker on this Tazo. I actually was looking for the Starbucks Nitro Brew coffee, the cold coffee. I can't find it in the store, but I did find that, which I cannot believe. So $1.68 for those. I'm getting $1.98 on Ibotta, making that a 30-cent moneymaker. Let's go check out and see how we did. Our guys just got back home, and everything that you see here, I only paid $20 for it all. There is a printable breakdown description box for this. The only problem I had was on the Arm & Hammer detergent. For some reason, it is gone on Swagbucks. Swagbucks is known to do that, but I will try to submit the receipt later if it does pop up. Remember, we were able to get the Chobani coffee for free, the Tylenol PMs for 16 cents each. I went ahead and picked up 3 of them because there was a limit of 3 on Ibotta. I was able to get the Trident gum for BOGO. The Palmolive dish soap was a moneymaker of 2 cents each. The Airwick plugins were all free. The Butterfingers were 50 cents each. I believe the Dollar Shave Club was about $3 or so. The Essential Mist, I cannot remember the price on those, but I think they were $1.88. The Tazo Passion was a moneymaker of 30 cents. The Elf on the Shelf cereal was $1 each, and then the toilet paper was $8. So all in all, everything we got was $20. I did receive the $3 mistletoe bonus for the midweek moneymaker, so that helped as well. All right, guys, I will see you next time. We'll be heading to Publix on Wednesday.